What's up everybody, happy Friday, and thanks so much for tuning in for today's episode of Chemical Guy's Detail Garage. Now a lot of people ask us what's the best way or the proper way to maintain their coatings, and that's why we have this beautiful BMW E36 in the shop, because in our previous videos you've seen us polish this, protect it using Carbon Flex C9, and now we're going to show you the proper way to protect your coatings, whether it is carbon or ceramic, or if you're just looking to give your car some more hydrophobic properties. So today we brought it in here and we gently washed it off using our HydroSuds, which adds a silica-based product to enhance your coatings as well as rejuvenate it, but it's also adding hydrophobic properties which help to repel any kind of water spots. It gives you more water-beating action, but again, it's going to help enhance your coating so that it lasts as long as possible. Carbon Flex C9 can last several years when properly maintained, and this is one of the best products to do that. Or even if you're trying to rejuvenate your HydroCharge, this is a great way to, again, help repel any kind of harmful UV rays. It kind of helps to, again, rejuvenate the coatings, and even if you don't use one of our brand coatings, this is also safe for any kind of ceramic, and this is also a great way to lay down a thick layer of suds. Then we followed it up with our Carbon Flex Vitalize, and what this is going to do is add a fine layer of sealant, but again, this is going to help add the nutrients to your coating, so again, it can last as long as possible, but it's also adding a candy gloss, and this is also a great way to help when you're doing your drying process. This is more of a drying aid. Simply spray it on the surface, and it helps to break the water tension between the water droplets and the surface. This way it can be gently wiped away. And you can also keep a bottle of this in your car so that your car can be clean, looking its best at all times, whether you're going to a show, you just got back for a cruise, or even if it sits in the garage. So again, you can simply just spray this onto the surface, and the sealant is going to add more protective properties to your coating, and it's also going to help gently remove anything that's on the surface, whether it be dust, water spots, bird droppings, and again, any kind of contamination. Now this is a great way to keep your car, like this BMW, looking its best for as long as possible, because even ceramic coatings are going to fail, and the best way to help give it as long as possible is by using the right products and the right techniques. Now in the video today you saw us using a foam blaster, which you can use with your HydroSuds. You can also use a foam cannon to lay down thicker suds, but if you're confined to noise restraints, or maybe you just don't have the budget for a foam cannon, a foam gun is a great way to go, or even if you want to use it in your traditional wash bucket. And also you saw us just washing our car outside here. This is a rather cool day, and we're also working in the shade. People ask us, is it okay to wash in direct sunlight? It is fine when you're using a pH balanced soap, but also we recommend doing this in the cooler early morning or the later evening hours, or if you can work in the shade of the building, or if you don't have the access or the ability to wash in the early or late evening hours, it's best to work in the shade of the building. What this is called is the triangle of the shade. So basically you have the edge of the building and the sun is coming from this way, so we have this triangle that we're parked in right now. This is going to block us from any kind of UV rays or any kind of harmful elements that are going to dry the soap on the surface, giving us some kind of awful effect. So guys, if you like these products, check them out on our website, chemicalguys.com, or at your local detail garage if you're looking to get some product advice. Come down to Detail Garage Los Angeles to say what's up to us, and also drop your comments down below on any future videos you guys want to see. If you like today's video, if you just like pressing buttons, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next time right here in the Detail Garage.